हाय गाइस अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में आपको बताने वाला हूँ सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट के बारे में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक। सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट है क्या? द सीपीयू इज आल्सो कॉल्ड माइक्रो प्रोसेसर और इट इज द ब्रेन ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. All major calculations and comparisons are made inside the CPU. Following are the components of a CPU. अब वन बाय वन जो है वो डिटेल से पढ़ेंगे. कंट्रोल यूनिट इज द पार्ट ऑफ सीपीयू व्हिच वर्क्स लाइक अ ट्रैफिक कॉप इन अ computer system. It directs and coordinates all the operations of the entire computer system. It controls ALU, all the memory devices, all the input output devices of the following components. Instruction registers, it stores the instruction being executed. Instruction decoder, it decodes the instruction so that the computer can understand it. Timing and control logic, it generates the signals to execute the instruction. उसके बाद आते हैं ये ALU, arithmetic logic unit. ALU is the part of CPU that performs the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. and logical operations like AND or NOT. The following steps to add two numbers 20 and 4. Number 20 will be stored in a AC register and the second number 4 will be stored in data register. The control unit will send the signals to add the number and the ALU will add the numbers. The result 24 will be stored to accumulator register. Lastly, the result will be transferred from accumulator register to main memory. Cache memory. Cache memory is a small and very fast memory inside the CPU. Cache memory stores the data and instruction that are frequently required by the CPU. उसके बाद आते हैं registers. Registers क्या है? Registers are extremely fast temporary storage devices inside the CPU used to store data, instruction and memory addresses during the execution of the program. उसके बाद आते हैं internal buses. A bus is a path between the components of a computer. It is a group of parallel wires through which group of which are transmitted from one part of computer system to another part.